Did you know there are 5 forbidden words that can make women think about you all day long? And no, I'm not talking about cliches or those obvious lines everyone uses. I'm talking about powerful words that, when said the right way, will create such a strong connection that she'll be thinking about you even after you're gone. Curious? Then stick with me because in today's video, I'm gonna reveal these words and how you can use them to leave a woman totally intrigued and interested. Get ready, cause this will change how you communicate with women. Let's go. The first word I'm gonna teach you is no. Yep, that's right, no. I know, it sounds crazy, but hang on, I'll explain. Most guys think that to win a woman over, they have to say yes all the time, right? Like, when she asks for something or makes an invitation, you immediately think, I'll say yes, thinking it'll impress her. But here's the truth, saying yes too much can give the wrong impression. You know what she thinks when you keep saying yes? That you're desperate to please, and that's never attractive. No woman likes a guy who's always available, with no challenge or mystery. Now, let's picture a scene that'll change the game. Imagine you're at a bar, chatting with her, and she asks you to buy her a drink. Most guys would instantly say yes, thinking it's their chance to impress. But what if you did it differently? Instead of saying yes right away, you respond calmly with that confident vibe, and say, not yet, let's chat first, maybe later you can buy me a drink. It may seem simple, but buddy, you just stood out. You didn't fall for the easy yes. You showed you have value, that she can't just ask and get everything she wants from you. You put yourself in a place of respect and confidence. And trust me, no woman will see this as a problem. On the contrary, they love feeling like they need to put in the effort to win a guy's time and attention. When you say no, you're not just saying a word, you're creating some tension in the air, something that'll make her think, wait, he has standards, he has value. That's what really attracts a woman. She'll be curious, wanting to know more about you, and feel like she needs to work to earn your interest. And guess what? That's when the magic happens, and the game starts turning in your favor. Now let's talk about the second word, irresistible. But hold on, before you start throwing around "you're irresistible" to every woman, let me tell you the trick. The secret here isn't just using the word randomly. You've got to use it at the right moment and with the right tone. Don't start saying it in the first few minutes of the conversation, okay? That'll sound forced, and nobody likes that. The key here is making her feel like you've noticed something in her that's special and unique. So picture this, you're on a date, the conversation's flowing, and at the right moment you say, I love the way you laugh, it's just irresistible. Do you notice the difference? The pause before you speak, the way you said it? That creates tension in the air that makes her curious and interested. The trick isn't just saying, you look amazing, because anyone can say that. What's going to make her feel irresistible is showing that you see something deeper in her, something more genuine. When you say her laugh is irresistible, for example, you're showing you noticed something unique about her, not just throwing out an empty word. And that's what makes her feel attractive in a way that goes way beyond the surface. That's what creates a more genuine connection, and guess what? That's what's gonna make her think about you a lot longer. The third secret is the word crazy. You know, that word that lightens the mood, makes things playful and full of flirting? Well, crazy is that word. Women love a guy who knows how to tease in a fun way, something that sparks curiosity and makes her want to know more about you. When you call a woman crazy, you're giving her an air of mystery, something that makes her feel unique and different from the rest. It's like a puzzle, and she'll get curious to know what you really think about her. Now imagine this, she just said something funny or maybe a bit cheeky, and instead of just laughing, you flash a smile, lean in, and say, you know what? I'm gonna start calling you crazy. You're the type of person who keeps everyone guessing all the time. Boom! Her reaction will be instant. She'll probably laugh and ask, why crazy? And there's your opening for a fun conversation, a flirtation only you two get. You've just created an inside joke, something that only makes sense between the two of you, and that creates an immediate connection. And the best part? She'll feel special, like a mystery you want to solve. She'll want to show you more of what's behind all that craziness. This creates a playful tension and makes her want to tease you back. And my friend, that's the secret to keeping the curiosity alive and winning her over for good. The fourth word is small. I know, it might sound a bit weird at first, but trust me, This word has incredible power when you use it the right way. It touches on that more intimate side of connecting with people, you know? It's not about belittling or offending anyone, not at all. Actually, when you use this word, you're reinforcing your role as a strong, protective man. It's about showing her that you're there to take care of her, and that creates a vibe of protection and trust. Now imagine this, you're walking through a busy place, holding her hand, and you look at her hands and say, calmly and casually, "Wow, your hands are so small compared to mine." Seems simple, right? But it's exactly that kind of comment that creates such closeness that even the surroundings seem to disappear. When you call her small, you're subtly reminding her of her fragility and delicacy. It awakens that natural desire in her to be cared for, to have someone strong by her side. And, my friend, that feeling of protection is powerful. You're not just flirting, you're creating an emotional bond that will make her feel special and want to be closer to you. The last word on this magical list is partner. I know what you're thinking, partner? How can that be attractive? But let me explain, my friend. When used the right way, partner is a master move. It creates mystery, sparks a challenge, and makes her wonder if you're just being nice or if there's something more going on. Now picture this, after all the fun, flirting and teasing, you hit a moment, and with that confident smile you say, "You're an amazing partner. I'm gonna have to introduce you to someone soon." Wait, partner? Yep, that's right. After all the chemistry between you two, this little twist will leave her wondering. It creates uncertainty, and uncertainty is one of the biggest allies of attraction. She'll start thinking, does he like me or not? What does he really want? And that's when desire starts to bloom. She'll be intrigued, wanting to understand what's behind this change in tone, and that's gonna make her even more attracted to you. Besides these 5 powerful words, there's something super important we can't overlook: nonverbal power. That means your actions, your body, your posture. All of that will make what you say have a much bigger impact. There's no point in saying the right words if your posture's all wrong, your gaze is off, or your touch lacks confidence. What you say needs to be backed up by how you act. So, stay aware, stand tall with a confident posture, make eye contact, and smile like you know something she doesn't. That smile makes all the difference. And when the right moment comes, a gentle touch can be the cherry on top, that touch that makes the conversation even more intense. Remember, my friend, the power of words is in the perfect combination with your energy and presence. So, did you like the tips? I'm sure that if you use these words the right way, you'll leave any woman speechless. Now, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button down below because it really helps and motivates me to bring more great content for you. And hey, if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell, cause there's a lot more coming your way. Oh, and of course, share this with that friend who'll love these tips too. And don't go just yet, alright? In the next video, I'll bring even more secrets to help you crush your interactions. So get ready, cause I'll see you right here. Until then.